And now we'll move on to questions 51 through 54. Now we're into thermochemistry, which actually is something that you all just got done doing, so you should all be experts at it. 51, we're looking at how much energy is required to heat something. That would indicate that we're going to have a temperature change. And yes, indeed, we are. So we're going to use the equation Q equals MCAT. Our mass is 20 grams. We're heating mercury, and mercury has a specific heat of 0.14 joules over grams degrees Celsius, and our temperature change is 5 degrees. If I punch this into my handy-dandy calculator, also known as my phone, and I will get, eventually, 1,400 joules. All right, question 52. If a reaction that is exothermic occurs in a calorimeter, will the temperature of the calorimeter's temperature increase, decrease, or stay the same? All right, it's in a calorimeter. So the reaction's exothermic, it's releasing energy. If it's going to release energy, the temperature will go up because it's being given off. And it'll be negative, a negative sign. If it's exothermic, it's negative. And if it's endothermic, it's positive. Because we're adding heat. Heat being released, we're losing heat. Giving off heat. All right, question 53 is a Hess's law. We want to repeat this equation. If I look here, I have a H2O2, only it's on the product side, and I need it on the reactant side. So I'm going to rewrite this equation, and I'm going to change my units from negative to positive. The other thing, I have one hydrogen peroxide. Here I have 2. So I'm going to multiply this by 2, which means these both get multiplied by 2, and they add up. Now, the next equation, we need 2 waters on the right-hand side. Fortunately, that's already the case. We don't have to change any signs. We don't have to multiply anything. So we've got 2 hydrogen peroxides, 2 waters. We need 1 oxygen. In this side, on the left side, we have 1 oxygen. On the right, we have 2. If we combine like terms, we would subtract 1 oxygen from both sides. That would give us 1 oxygen. So now we just have to do the math. Negative 572, and this is positive 188. 376. Oh, dang it. Negative 196 kilojoules. All right, 54. How much energy is needed to change 15 grams of mercury from 25 to 33? Gosh, we just did one of these, didn't we? Q equals MCAT. This time it's only 15 grams. We still are at 0.14 joules over grams degrees Celsius, and our change is going to be 8 degrees. All right, 16.8 kilojoules, if I did the math right. 55. The reaction in an instant ice pack is endothermic. If the cold pack is opened and placed in a calorimeter and a thermometer is added, what would be observed about the temperature? The temperature would decrease because it's endothermic. All right, we'll finish there for now.